Alright friends, the birthday star is back at it for more with another video lined up for you here at Ladysmith on December 11th, 2023. Tyler, he's here 15:27 as I am coming to you from my house here at Ladysmith. Going to have the takeoff of the AW109 tracker, but this time this one that's going to be taking off is from Mayo Health system. I decided to show up for an airlift assist for Bruce Ambulance 252 that had a patient that was due for an airlift. So right now all the rotors are almost near full RPM for lifting off to head back to base. So we'll check them out on takeoff as we'll lean back and get them. Alright, liftoff confirmed. And there it is. Looks like she's going to fly southbound. It flies away the AW109 tracker for Mayo Health system, and compared to the one for Lifelink that decided to show up as I always do, but nice appearance from Mayo Health system to do the honors this time. So that'll do it for the Mayo Health system AW109 tracker, and we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. I thank you guys for watching. You have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you next time on my channel. Take care.